Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
All right, this is the afternoon edition of the Daily Weather Briefing video. This is for the 13th of September. This is for Tuesday. I'm James Spann. Hey, got a long dry stretch coming up here. Much of the state probably going 7 to 10 days with no rain. Nice and quiet here. Tropics are trying to heat up. We're watching Invest 96L. Let's take a look at things. First off, this is the upper air look across the country this afternoon. Again, nice trough in the east. That's brought down this refreshingly dry air we are enjoying. Got a ridge off to the west. This will be flipping next week. We'll be under the ridge next week, so we'll be closer to 90 next week, but it's going to feel good again tonight. There's the visible satellite view, and you can see it's mostly clear across the state. A few patchy clouds over South Alabama, and obviously no rain in progress across the state today. The closest rain down around Tallahassee. With full sunshine, temperatures not bad. 79 at 2 o'clock for Cullman and Haleyville. Low 80s elsewhere. Mobile 84, that's the warm spot. But again, the humidity values are down. It's just such a nice day. Check the watch warning map across the country. Got some scattered flash flood watches out in the western states. The east is relatively quiet. We can certainly enjoy this quiet weather pattern that we have. As we all know, things sometimes can break loose, but again, we see no evidence of that anytime soon. Here's a look at the severe weather potential for the rest of today and tonight. Most of the severe weather across the northeast United States. Well, they've got a slight risk, level 2 out of 5 there. This is tomorrow, no organized severe weather expected, and the same thing on Thursday, day 3. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, and how about just nothing for most of the state? There might be a few little isolated showers around the Gulf Coast over the weekend, but again, most everybody's going to be dry through much of next week. So we can focus on the tropics. We've got 2 waves on the board. One is in the eastern Atlantic, and we've got one in the central Atlantic. And that lead wave in the central Atlantic, that's going to be the one to watch. And again, this is Invest 96L. So this is the ATCF set. And of the models that pick it up, you've got a few that want to turn it north. You got a few that bring it toward Puerto Rico, the Leeward Islands, Hispaniola, and Cuba. Let's take a look at the EPS set. And again, this brings in some global models, and you can see it's a total split camp here. A lot of the members want to turn it north before reaching the United States, but not all. You got someone to try and bring it up into the Gulf. And in terms of the intensity guidance, again, it's a split camp. Some don't develop it at all. Some keep it a depression. Some bring it up to a tropical storm. So really, until this thing gets organized, if it gets organized, it's just a little too early to call, just something to watch. And again, for now, the Hurricane Center giving it a 40% chance, a medium chance of developing into a depression or storm over the next 5 days. Other than that, things are pretty quiet. So, model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. The trough beginning to move on to the east. And again, we're in a very dry air mass. And again, many spots will be in the 50s tomorrow morning. We actually had a few spots in the upper 40s early this morning over North Alabama. Wow. But many spots in the 50s, the high tomorrow, mid-80s. The sky will be sunny. And this is Thursday. Same thing. Friday. And again, maybe a little isolated shower near the Gulf Coast, but even there, probably not much. Most of Alabama dry. The sky will be sunny, the high mid-80s. And obviously no weather problems for high school football games Thursday and Friday night. Saturday as the weekend begins, mid to upper 80s, pretty warm. Sky will be sunny. No rain for the college football games. Sunday, we are dry. And Monday, we are dry. Let's go out to a week from today. This is Tuesday the 20th, and again, that upper high showing up. All of a sudden now we have the trough in the west and a ridge in the east. And we might be flirting with 90 much of next week. We're not done with 90-degree days. We all know that. This little first cool snap never lasts long. Let's go at 10 days. This is Friday of next week, the 23rd, and again, that upper high right on top of us. So next week will feel more like summer, and next week looks dry. Quite frankly, we might go more than 10 days without a drop of rain here. In fact, let's take a look at the rain output coming from the GFS ensemble. And there's a really big spread out there in the longer ranges toward the end of September, and I think that's uncertainty with what might happen with the tropics. But you look for the mean, the green line, the mean of all the members, and it's about 1 inch. And we've seen other runs with lower amounts. Temperatures, again, will be up there toward 90 next week. You can see 90 showing up now Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is coming off the national blend of models. And lows mostly in the 60s. And hot off the presses at the brand new CPC 8 to 14 day outlook. This is for September 21st through the 27th. And temperatures expected to be above average as the ridging pattern stays in place here across the eastern and southern U.S. Hey, let's roll that Pepsi Kid Cam video today. Julian Newman Elementary School, Athens, Limestone County, third graders. I always love coming up to see the kids at Newman Elementary School. We had a great time today. They were so good. I mean, they were great listeners. They laughed at my bad material, my bad jokes, and we had some great fun today. Love the teachers and the administration. That is a marvelous school. And right after that, went up the road to Athens High School. I had a chance to speak to a big group of students at Athens High School about the careers in meteorology and what I do, and for those that are interested, what they might do. I love getting kids excited about science because some people did that for me when I was that age. So again, thanks to everybody at Julian Newman Elementary School and Athens High School for a lot of fun earlier today. So that's it. Let's see. Tomorrow I'll be in Cullman County, Holly Pond Elementary. And then I'll be speaking to some realtors at midday. Thursday, Faith Christian in Anniston, and Friday, got Deer Valley and Hoover, then Westminster School at Oak Mountain in Shelby County, and then off to Oxford for Friday night rivals. And then Saturday we have a book signing Saturday morning, and then after that is support for the Alabama football game, which will be awfully easy this week. So it's a busy week, but it's a good week. I'd rather be busy than bored anytime. I love every day of what I do here. So that's it. We have notes over on the blog. That is alabamawx.com. And if you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.